Yes, I'm with you. I want to tell you a secret about this channel. So listen carefully. This cooking channel is great. If you want to learn how to cook delicious food very easily and quickly with a very simple tools, follow this channel. Don't forget this. This channel's name is Old House Kitchen.
Hello to all my dear friends and followers. Welcome to my cooking channel. In this post I will introduce you to how to cook one of the most delicious Iranian stew, Okra Stew. So join us. The necessary ingredients to prepare this unique stew are half a glass of cotyledons, 500 grams of lamb meat, 250 grams of okra, a medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic, a spoonful of tomato paste, salt and spices as needed, a medium lemon, At first, we must fry the okra separately. Then take the juice of lemon chop 2 cloves of garlic, chop a medium onion, We must set aside the roasted okra. Fry the chopped onion. Add the meat to chopped onion to fry. Add chopped garlic to our ingredient. And then add the spices to our ingredients. Add a spoonful of tomato paste to our ingredients. Add the soaked cotyledons to our ingredients. Then we added 2 bowls of water to our ingredients. Then add salt to our ingredients. Add a little cinnamon and 2 damask rose to our ingredients for their flavors. At last, add roasted okra to our ingredients. We let our stew cook slowly. Our stew is ready. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and comment your opinions. Until the next video, God bless.